Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Texas Barbecue. So today I'm showing you how I grill some tri-tip. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kristen, and every Friday I share a new barbecue recipe, whether it's delicious meat, a perfect side dish, or a delicious dessert for your barbecue. Now, I lived in Texas for a few years. They had delicious barbecue and I miss it so much that I love to try and recreate the recipes. So here in California, it's really easy to get tri-tip all year round. So it's a little bit different than Texas style, but I want to show you how I grill tri-tip. So first we're going to start off in the kitchen. I'm putting some delicious steak seasoning on. It's a different kind of steak seasoning. You'll have to check it out. And then we're going to head out to the grill and I'll show you how I grill my tri-tip. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. You're going to first start with a bowl and you're going to put 3 tablespoons of kosher salt. Next you're going to add 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Next is 2 tablespoons of minced onion. Now it's dried. Then 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, and 2 tablespoons of coarse black pepper. And your last 2 ingredients are 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now you're going to go ahead and just mix this all together until it's well combined. Now this is delicious on steak, on hamburgers, but today I'm going to put it on my tri-tip. Now the secret with cutting tri-tip is that you want to cut against the grain. So you see all the lines, you're going to cut against it so it will be nice and tender. So I'm going to put my delicious rub all over the tri-tip, then flip it over and put rub on the other side too. Now after all the rub is on the tri-tip, go ahead and let it sit out for about 20 minutes before putting it on the grill. So preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Then go ahead and just put it right onto the grill. Now you're going to cook this for about 10 minutes on this side and then go ahead and flip it over. Now I let it cook for about another 10 minutes or so on the other side and I kept checking the temperature. Now if you want it medium rare, go ahead and pull it out at 130 degrees. I don't like mine that rare. I like it a little bit more medium, and so I pulled it out about 140. Now when you take it off the grill, you want to let it rest for a little bit. I like to let mine rest for about 10 minutes to let the juices absorb back into the meat. Now like I said before, you're going to cut against the grain so you'll have nice, tender, juicy pieces of meat. Now if you've never heard of tri-tip, you can go to your local butcher or local grocery store and tell them that you want a tri-tip cut and they will get it for you. Now you can serve it just like this, and then with the leftovers, I love to serve it and make delicious sandwiches with it. If you want more delicious barbecue recipes, don't forget to check out that. That's my delicious smoked pulled pork. Then I also have amazing Texas style barbecue ribs. All right, you guys, I will see you next weekend. Bye.